2007 Silverado 4.8. What the fuck is this sound, guys? Help me out here real quick. The oil's clean. I just put a new battery on it too. I'm hoping it's not a fucking lifter tick. I'm hoping it's like a lifter knock, whatever it's called. That's the most common thing I've seen, but hopefully I'm getting it checked out in the morning. I'll be able to let you guys know what it is. Anybody who wants to know what it is. This is an 07 Silverado. Doesn't even show you the miles. That's how you know it must have a lot. Put it that way though. Is this considered like a fucking rod knock, or what is this, guys? Somebody please let me know. Sound looks like it's coming from around here though.